Howdy everybody, this is Christoph with Dusty Trails 4x4. I also periodically take part in the Reaper Challenge, which I'm trying to start right now again. Now I recently had a birthday which made me 57 years old, and these past 2 years have not been great for my health. I had a heart attack scare, had some personal loss in the family, and just some health problems. So here I am trying to get back to it. Now the idea is that I want to start out light, but I want to do the workout like I used to, which means lift and press the stump, hit the tire with the hammer, and hit the pedal at least 100 times. So I want to show at least 50 of those watts, and we'll see where it goes. Now I have my heavy hammer and my whatnot put away because they're heavy and I have to try to get back into it. But also this is a wonderful southwestern afternoon. It's about 105 degrees right now. We flooded the backyard so that the ducks can be happy. Let me see here. There's my stump. There's my hammer. This is a weighted baseball bat. It's weighted. It's supposed to weigh a few ounces and it weighs a few pounds. And this is my pedal. And this is the sword I'm going to be using. It's a 1.5 hand polypropylene. I put some more grip on it. And that'll be that. I'm gonna get this organized right, and we'll see what I can do inside of a couple minutes. Okay? Let's start with the stump. I'm gonna hit the tire, then I'm gonna hit the tires, and that should be the rest, all of it. Stump. I have no idea how much it weighs. Okay. So that's a good warm-up actually. I've actually taken that out to fighter practice. Used it as a warm-up. That was a while ago. Again, good warm-up. Hitting the tire with a sledgehammer. Sledgehammer, about 12 pounds. We'll do about 50 whacks on camera and the rest off camera. So that's 50. That'll do for now. Tomorrow I'll try to show you a bit more on the pedal and do the other stuff before filming. It's Christoph signing off.